Do you know what a proper noun is?
No, Dad.
Proper noun is the name to denote an individual person or thing as distinct from other persons or things. For example, Ado-Ekiti, Ekiti State, Mercy and Nigeria are proper nouns, because Ado-Ekiti is the name of a particular town. Ekiti State is the name of a particular state as Mercy is the name of a particular person. Nigeria is the name of a particular country. Other proper nouns include names of institutions, festivals, months of the year, days of the week, rivers, mountains, lakes, etc. For example, Muslim, Christian, Easter, Monday, Christmas, March, Tuesday, River Benue, etc.
Oh, thank you, Dad. You are the best dad in the world.
Promise me you won't forget that.
I won't, Dad.
Give Daddy a hug.
Good night, Dad.
Okay, good night, and don't forget to pray before you sleep.
Okay, Dad.